Alright folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and holy cow, will you look at this. This is the first one of these that I have videoed for the channel. I've done a couple of GTOs, but they were the first generation, or sorry, the earlier ones I should say. I think I did a 64 and I did a 66. But check this one out. This car is beautiful. It's one of my favorite cars, and it's a Judge. I have never seen one in white. This is unreal. The ram air. What a beautiful car. And back, let you have a look at this. Holy cow, holy cow. And a white tiger back there too. Hey kitty. Oh man, this is nice. And the machine turn down. Got the wood grain dash and machine turn where the radio is. Pretty neat. Automatic in the floor. Nice comfy buckets. '70 GTO Judge. Folks, I am just speechless. This car is beautiful. I am just speechless. I could drive this all day long. So we got a little weather stripping we got to replace here. That's the only flaw. I think I saw a little chip on the hood. My goodness, my goodness. Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful GTO. How can you not like this? American muscle right here, folks. I'm going to move on and get a few more here, and then I guess the drag races get ready to start. So subscribe to my channel, folks. We continue to bring you cool cars. Hit that like button. Hit that bell notification once you subscribe. That way you'll get notified when there's a new video out. All right, let me see what else we got out here.